Hello students, welcome to the session of surface area and volume. Now we are going to discuss sphere. What is the CSA of a sphere? That is 4 pi r square units. And TSA of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cubic units. And the next one, hemisphere. Actually hemisphere is half of the sphere only. Here also we are using radius only. So what is the CSA of a hemisphere? That is 2 pi r square. And another one, TSA of a hemisphere 3 pi r square. Volume of a hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cubic units. Exercise 13.4, first problem. Find the surface area of a sphere of radius 10.5 centimeter and 5.6 centimeter, then 14 centimeter. Now what is given in the first subdivision? Radius of a sphere is given. Mention the given value. Radius of a sphere r is equal to 10.5 centimeter. Now we calculate the surface area of a sphere. So what is the formula for find out the surface area of a sphere? That is 4 pi r square units. Apply the values. 4 into what is our pi value? 22 by 7 into r value 10.5 into 10.5. Now we just cancel the value, balance 3, 5 0. Now 4 into 22 into 1.5 into 10.5. So the value is 1386 centimeter square. That's all. Second problem, find the surface area of a sphere of diameter. In the previous problem, radius directly given. Here diameter of a sphere is given. What is that? Diameter of a sphere D is equal to 14 centimeter. So half of a diameter is actually radius. No. Now radius of a sphere, that is r is equal to 14 by 2, 7 centimeter. Next we calculate the surface area of a sphere. What is the formula? 4 pi r square units. So apply the values. 4 into pi value 22 by 7 into r value 7 into 7. 7 7 cancel. So 88 into 7. What is the value? 616 centimeter square. That's all. Third problem. Find the total surface area of a hemisphere of radius 10 centimeter. First write the given. Radius of a hemisphere is given. Radius of a hemisphere is given. What is the value? 10 centimeter. Now we calculate the total surface area. What is the total surface area of a hemisphere formula? That is 3 pi r square units. So apply the value. 3 into pi value 22 by 7 into r value 10 into 10. So 3 into 3.14 into 10 into 10. Multiply the value. The answer is 942 centimeter square. That's all. Fourth problem. The radius of a spherical balloon increases from 7 centimeter to 14 centimeter as air is being pumped into it. Find the ratio of surface areas of the balloon in the two cases. So the first radius is actually radius of the first balloon is actually 7 centimeter. Then it increases. No, the radius is actually 14 centimeter. So we calculate the surface area of the spherical balloon in starting and after increasing. Next we calculate the ratio of the balloon in starting and the balloon after increasing. Okay. First, radius of a spherical balloon. Actually, what is the value? Starting value 7 centimeter. Then it moves to 14 centimeter. So r1 equal to 7 centimeter. Then r2 equal to 14 centimeter. Okay. Now we calculate the surface area of a spherical balloon. Directly we calculate the ratio. Okay. So surface area of the balloon in starting divided by surface area of the balloon after increasing. The same formula, 4 pi r1 square divided by 4 pi r2 square. Now cancel the value. Actually 4 pi cancel. What is our r1 value? 7 square by 14 square. Now 7 into 7 by 14 into 14. Cancel the value. So the answer is 1 by 4. So ratio of surface areas of the balloon in the two cases is equal to 1:4. That's all. Next problem. A hemispherical bowl made of brass has inner diameter 10.5 cm. Find the cost of tin plating it on the inside at the rate of rupees 16 per 100 cm square. Here diameter of the bowl is given. Next we calculate the radius of the bowl. Then first we calculate the inner surface area of a hemispherical bowl. Cost of painting value is given, no, that is 100 cm square equal to rupees 16. Then finally we have to multiply the value with 16. Okay, first write the given diameter of a bowl is actually given, that is 10.5 centimeter. So directly we take the radius of a bowl, 10.5 by 2 centimeter. This is our R value. First calculate the inner surface area. Inner surface area of hemispherical bowl. What is the formula? 2 pi r square units. Apply the values. 2 into 22 by 7 into r value 10.5 by 2, 10.5 by 2. Okay, centimeter square. Another one value is given, no, cost of painting. Cost of painting per 100 centimeter square is given, that is rupees 16. So easily we calculate the cost of the total surface area value. Cost of painting inner surface area is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 10.5 by 2 into 10.5 by 2 into 16. Okay, now we just cancel the value. Directly 2 cancel. 2 1s are 2 8s are 7 1s are 7 1s are, balance 3 7 5s are. Now multiply the value. The answer is rupees 27.72. That's all. Surface area of a sphere is given, that is 154 centimeter square. We have to calculate the radius of a sphere. So apply the formula, 4 pi r square equal to 154. Now 4 into pi value 22 by 7 into r square is equal to 154. Move the balance constant to RHS. So 154 into 7 by 4 into 22. Cancel the value. We get the value r square is equal to 12.25. Taking square root on both sides. So r is equal to square root of 12.25. So square root of 12.25 value is 3.5. R is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Therefore radius of a sphere is 3.5 centimeter. Next problem. The diameter of the moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. Find the ratio of the surface areas. What is given? Diameter of the moon is 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. So first imagine the diameter of the earth is actually 2 r units. So what is the radius of the earth? Radius of the earth is equal to r units. Okay, next we just take the value diameter of the moon. Then diameter of the moon is equal to 1/4. Actually diameter of the moon is 1/4 of the diameter of the earth, no. So how can we take 1/4 r? Okay, diameter of the moon is actually 1/4 of 2 r. So that value is actually r by 2. First imagine diameter of the earth, that is 2 r. Radius is r only. Diameter of the moon is 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. So 1/4 of 2 r. Cancel the value, r by 2. What is the radius of the moon? Radius of the moon is equal to half of the value, no? So that is r by 4 units. Now we just find the ratio of the surface areas. First, surface area of moon divided by surface area of earth. Apply the value. What is the formula? 4 pi r square. First moon value, no. What is the r value? R by 4. So r by 4 the whole square divided by 4 pi surface area of earth. Radius value directly r only, r square. Now 4 pi directly cancel. R square by 16 by r square. Now r square also cancel. So the answer is actually 1 by 16. So the ratio is 1:16. That's all.